Hello friends, welcome to Eloquent English classes and I am Jyoti. In my previous video we discussed some of the idioms and phrases. Today also I have come with some more idioms and phrases to improve your expression. So let's get started. To beat black and blue. To beat black and blue means to beat severely. बहुत बुरी तरह से मारना. The thief was beaten black and blue by the police. The thief was beaten black and blue by the police. Next is a bolt from blue, which means a sudden shock or calamity. कोई दुख की बात. Like the sudden death of Mrs. Indira Gandhi came to us as a bolt from blue. Then next is to beat about the bush. Means to say something in a roundabout manner. घुमा फिरा के बात करना. कई लोगों को आदत होती है घुमा फिरा के बात करना. So we can use this like this. You come to the point. It's no use beating about the bush. सीधे काम की बात करो, इधर उधर घुमा के बताने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. Then you can use this. The next one is to break ice. To break ice means to break silence and start conversation. For example, there was pin drop silence in the hall, but when the chief guest came, the host broke the ice to welcome him. चुप्पी तोड़ना. To break ice means चुप्पी तोड़ना. So there was pin drop silence in the hall, but when the chief guest came, the host broke the ice to welcome him. The next is blow one's own trumpet. Blow one's own trumpet means to speak proudly about one's own deeds. अपने बारे में अपनी प्रेज करते रहना. That is blow one's own trumpet. For example, a true gentleman is so humble that he never blows his own trumpet. एक सज्जन पुरुष अपने बढ़ा चढ़ाकर प्रेज कभी नहीं करता. Now the next is to build castles in the air. To build castles in the air means to form imaginary schemes. हवाई किले बनाना. Work hard. It's no use building castles in the air. अगर जीत चाहिए, सक्सेस चाहिए, तो आपको मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. हवाई किले बनाने से कुछ नहीं होगा. So this is. The next is bona fides. Bona fides means sincerity or good intentions. Example, please don't doubt his bona fides. He can't be wrong. Now next is by hook or crook. By hook or crook means by all means. किसी भी तरह, जब कुछ भी क्यों ना करना पड़े. He tried to run his business by hook or crook. See the uses. Now ninth one is behind one's back. Behind one's back means in absence. पीछे से. Talking ill about a person behind his back is not a good thing. पीछे से बातें बनाना अच्छी बात नहीं होती. This is behind one's back. The next is breathe one's last. Breathe one's last means to die. Uses my grandmother breathed her last at the age of 85. Instead of saying he died at the age of 85, we can say my grandmother breathed her last at the age of 85. The next is to bear a grudge, which means to have bitter feeling. We should not bear a grudge against anyone. Next is bear in mind. Bear in mind means remember. Bear in mind that there is no shortcut to hard work. जब हमने ये कहना हो कि याद रखो, there is no shortcut to hard work. So we can use this. Be all and end all. Be all and end all means the final end. सब कुछ. Making money is the be all and end all of the people today. पैसा कमाना ही सब कुछ. The next is crocodile tears, which means false tears. Don't shed crocodile tears at his death. I know you hated him. Then the last one is the backbone. The backbone means the main support. The farmers are the backbone of our country. This is all for today. And if you have liked this, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.